Okay, the girls are making some slime. We got a yellow,
Orange.
a
yellow orange.
yellow orange slime. What is that called?
Fall paradise.
And we have a white, slimy thing here with a little wiggle on it and a poker. And what is this one called?
It's gonna be a donut, but I didn't color it yet.
Okay, I saw you put some glitter in it. Here we go with the Rodex blower. Whoa! Okay, let's check your bubble test.
Give me that.
Whoa.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna do yours now.
Okay.
Oh, different technique this time, huh?
Let's go.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, let's try yours now.
And that's the go-to.
Don't forget the bottom.
I did. Back scratcher. I want a back scratcher.
It's on high.
It's on low. Oh, that's the battery.
That's the battery.
Oh my
Whoa! Oh my god! All right, it's your turn now. You're gonna have to do the placement. Cody, we'll scratch her back in a minute.
Anyway, so it's okay. Boom.
Whoa! Feisty bubble.
Made my own bubble.
Fail.
Wait, but listen to this now.
Okay. Oh, nice. You ready for your
Hold on,
second
hold
bubble? Or third bubble? Eighth bubble?
20th bubble.
20th bubble coming up.
Slime.
Ooh, it's making a flippy flap sound. Smells good. What's in there?
Apple cinnamon flavor.
Ooh, this stuff right here.
Yep. Wait, there's still orange on it.
Oopsie. Okay. All right, we're gonna go again with yours. Yours smells good too. You put the flavor in there?
Yeah, it's flavor.
Whoa, there we go. Oh, you licked it. All right, let's put some glitter on it and try it one more time with something. Oh, you're gonna food color it?
It's gonna be a donut.
Oh, that's true.
An apple cinnamon donut.
Oh my cow. Whoa.
It's gonna blow your socks off. It's gonna be a crunchiest bubble.
I love crunchy bubbles. All right, he's adding some color. Oh, is that red dye number 7? You're not supposed to use that.
It's yellow. That's yellow. But you're not. You're supposed to not eat it.
Oh, don't eat
This is. Gotta put a little green in there to make it brown too.
it. Red number 3.
Red 40.
Red number
that's
40.
the bad one.
Oh. No, 7's the bad one.
Really?
It's red 3 and red 40.
Oh, what's that one?
Red 40.
Oh, jeez.
But I'm not eating it. So
Oh, don't eat it. Yeah.
I guess we'll keep this for the slime.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool when we blow it up. Can we blow it up? Whoa, glitter.
More cinnamon.
Oh, that's cinnamon. All right, let's blow that sucker up.
Yeah. Don't mix the colors in yet.
Okay. All right, here it
Oh, that's
goes.
gonna look cool.
Oh my God, I see
Get
it
your
coming
hands off
through
that.
a little bit. You ready?
Go.
Whoa! All right, you ready for blowage?
I'm done. I'm done with that.
All right, this is the last one. Blow out. Oh my God, this might be yours! Whoa!
Ooh, Booyah!
Booyah. So what do you guys think of the Road X blower?
Great for bubbles.
Hell yeah.
BB bubbles.